In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific contact in your WhatsApp. Very quick and easy, so let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific contact. Very quick and easy tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three dot at the top. Then you have to navigate to settings. Then you have to go to privacy. Then you have to click on status. Then you have to change from my contact to this. My contact except. So by default, you have 4 people. You can click on here to add more people. Then for you to add more people, just begin to tap on any one of them that you want to add into the exclusion list. So once you are able to select the number of people that you want to hide your WhatsApp status with, next thing you need to do is, so you simply click on here, and you have excluded 6 people from viewing your WhatsApp status. So this is how to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific contact. Very quick and easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.